Hey, come in.
Thanks. Wow, your new place very nice, huh?
No lah, we got.
Everything look expensive, way. This sofa, this speaker.
You know me, right? Everything must good price and I don't like to waste money. You see, my aircon also save me money one.
Huh? Aircon, my aircon? How to save money?
Avigator lah, you don't know meh?
Every what?
Avigator Inverter by MIDEA, the best aircon to cool down your space but save money gao gao.
Wow, you say until like this, we should commercial.
What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So you guessed it, in this video I want to talk about the MIDEA Avigator Inverter aircon. So in case you don't know yet, MIDEA is actually the world's #1 residential AC company, certified with Chalk 1. So let's talk about this new AC that I just recently installed at my place. MIDEA has been doing eco technology for many years now. They evolved from eco mode to iEco mode to now in 2025 AI Eco Master. With this new tech, we can save energy all day long. Last time, we must set temperature to 24 degrees or higher to save money, but now we can save at no matter what temperature, up to 49%. So they can achieve this by using giga-scale big data and real AI pre-learning and predicting cloud connectivity. This means it runs based on data that they have from serving the whole world, and AI is used to learn your usage pattern to adapt to your lifestyle. This thing, no need online also can. AI Eco Master uses multi-dimensional data sources like real-time indoor and ambient condition data, AC operational data, and weather forecast data. If it's raining outside, then it will not use so much energy to cool down the space. Faham? In order to check on the real saving data, we can use this app called Smart Home. Here we can monitor energy usage, reporting, time forecasting, and also set reminders so we will be notified once consumption reaches the target. With one press of the cool flash button, your space can be cooled down to the set temperature 25% faster. With normal 1 horsepower non-inverter, it takes 10 minutes to cool down 4.8 degrees. With 1.5 horsepower Avigator, 10 minutes can decrease 6 degrees. This is actually achieved using larger evaporator of higher heat exchange efficiency and larger wind wheel to bring a stronger cooling experience. The deflector is also bigger, so it can swing the air to further distance. Now let's talk protection. MIDEA calls this Prime Guard. They are using corrosion-resistant copper tube, hypergraphene coating, hypergraphene, FCB with UV conformal coating, and has auto-deducting feature. It can resist 12.5 times more corrosion than blue-coated fin, and this is tested by Intertech. So as you can see on this graph, it is actually further on the anti-aging graph and also the anti-corrosion side. Graphene are used in this latest generation of MIDEA AC because it has the best anti-corrosion and anti-aging efficiency. Means your outdoor units won't spoil so fast. So how does auto-deducting work? When the AC is turned off, the fan blade will automatically rotate in reverse to get rid of sand and dust. Come, let me demo to you. See this paper? It's stuck there because auto-deducting is taking place now. So there you go, now you know why I installed the MIDEA Avigator Inverter in my new space. They also offer warranty of 2 years general warranty and 5-year compressor warranty. If your installer registers for you, you can also ask them to extend the new machine warranty to 3-year general warranty plus 10-year compressor warranty. MIDEA Professional After Service Team can also help you solve your problems within 48 hours. Very good leh. So if you're interested, click on the link in the description below. And if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!